Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So we are approaching to the last week of 2025 and the chart on a Nasdaq looks like this. Still very bullish. You can see we are trying to at least target this liquidity around 26,120. I don't think, I think basically we can't even take that before 2026 arrives. If I open the daily chart, you can see we are right above that previous resistance level, and I will call it a bull support for me. Anything above this level 25,620 is very bullish, and below this level, of course, is not good enough for the bulls. We are still in a compression on a daily chart. Moving to 4-hour chart, you can see we had this nice bounce from this supply and demand level. We closed that previous week. We closed the opening gap 2 and moved higher. On a 4-hour chart, you can see we can form up some bearish divergence in the short term. Probably there is a chance we can simply take liquidity from here up to here before targeting this volume imbalance, which I think needs to be closed before a major downside momentum, if there is any. So yeah, 4-hour chart looks kind of bearish to me as of now, but we will have Sunday open soon and we will see what's coming for the next week. It's going to be a short week, of course, but yeah, still important. On a 1-hour chart, you can see we took the liquidity from this range from both sides. We are currently at the box. There is a chance we can stay in the box for a while. For the rest of the week, but yeah, you can see we have this liquidity sell side 25,778 and up to this previous bull support, everything can still be bullish. I don't bet anything too much, because right now you can see that volatility wise we are very much compressed. We closed all the possible gaps from the downside on wicks. We have volume imbalance wide open at 16 area, and yeah, you can see that that's the major level to see some reaction on volatility. Yeah, so the calendar wise, we have FOMC minutes on Tuesday, December 30th, and unemployment numbers on Wednesday. January the 1st market is closed, and then we have PMI numbers, which are not much of an interest. So yeah, FOMC minutes for this week. Pending home sales for Monday. So yeah, let's wait and see what's gonna bring us this week. The charts are still very bullish, and remembering that the volume imbalance on Nasdaq at 26 still open. Yeah, sentiment wise, we're in greed. I don't know how, but we are in greed, and of course put to call ratio looks good, but it's in extreme fear. Basically you can see this rollover from 0.7. There is a chance we can have some more short squeeze, as I said before, if the VIX continues to be compressed, which is basically. Yeah, let's get back to VIX chart once again, and yeah, even if in the next week or we will have any spike around this area to close this volume imbalance, It is still very much compressed. You can see this heavy compression. Next area would be 18, and of course the final area for me to see is 20 maximum. I don't know. Anything above 20, of course, means we are heading to 33, 34 at least, as we have this volume imbalance on 4-hour chart still wide open there. But yeah, I won't touch the shorts right now, because I mean, at least the sentiment is that New Year rally is possible. So on that side, I think it's more clear. And moving to crypto, yeah, Ethereum Bitcoin chart. I'll open daily chart. You can see it is looks like we have one more leg down on Ethereum Bitcoin chart. At least we have this momentum to the upside completely fading and chopping right now. My long box on Ethereum is around here and still untouched. Maybe we can have some more downside before the final leg up on Ethereum to hit that 0.5 or 618 level. Yeah, so Bitcoin wise, Bitcoin is chopping, and I will expect it to take the sell side first before having that retracement to upside, the final retracement. I marked this channel to on a daily chart. This is 200 EMA, and yeah, possibly we can have a tap. We can meet 200 EMA around 96, 97 area. After that, liquidity grab. But still, yeah, the bear market is obvious, very obvious. Last week's I've been speaking about having a 30% chance on Ethereum, possibly being able to update the all-time high. But I think after reviewing more information, that chance is, I think right now for me, is around 10%. I'm not giving anything more than 10% to update the all-time high. And yeah, so we are right below the December open. And the close, December close would be very important to me. If we have a close above 3,000, there is a chance we can have a rally even up to the all-time high. I'm not sure about that, but definitely I will look for to get up to November open at least 3,800 to 4,000 level, and then we'll see after that. It's very it's very tricky situation because you don't know, and this time looks like a kind of different cycle. This is a different cycle. We didn't have any alt season or anything, so yeah. So on the USDT dominance wise, yeah, it is still in the compression or daily chart, but this fair value gap still wide open, and I will expect this to close before we have that relief rally to in the markets and the possible USDT dominance check up with the bull market band or 200 DMA. Yeah, the cycle is over according to USDT dominance too. You can see we are right at this level, this area, maybe one more push before that, but yeah, as long as we have that huge capitulation once again, that means we are gonna see 1 year long bear market, which is to me already started. Oh yeah, so that's pretty much it. The last week for the 2026, 2025, sorry. Yeah, we have some targets, some some volume balance here, some liquidity. We can close this and then go down, or vice versa. So we will see. At least We know what our invalidation levels, and we can expect as well low volume price action too. So stay safe, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody. Bye.